stop manually emailing your clients every time they book an appointment. I'm going to show you an automation where you can set and forget. And this automation works 24/7. I'll show you how it works in action, and then we'll go step by step and I'll help you build it. Suppose a customer lands on your site and they want to book an appointment for Thursday the 5th at 9 a.m. They select John, test, phone number, email. I'd like to get this automation by joining as your affiliate in GoHighLevel. And we confirm and we see a scheduled meeting. Now the customer gets your meeting has been scheduled and they can add it to their calendar here. Now two things happen on our side on the company. First, I get an alert straight to the phone saying I have an appointment with John Test. Then John gets a confirmation email saying, thank you for booking. Let's build your success with Combinator. And then it's a nice HTML email for them that gives them their information about their appointment tomorrow. And then a call to action, yes at the bottom, all sorts of cool things. Now I need to build one for native grounds property care. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can build this as well. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to actually give you a free copy of it as well, so you can just implement it directly into your HighLevel. So here's the client website. Let's take a look at the user journey. They would click on pick your service, and then we'd have junk removal, stump grinding, lawn care, tree trimming. Say they need junk removal. They would upload a picture here to get an estimate. But this is not about AI. This is about that. So I'm just going to skip. And then here's the calendar. So when they book over here, let's say it's tomorrow at 8 a.m., they fill out their information, but then at the bottom, the company does collect a $50 deposit. And you can also implement this. Let's say you're a consultant and you want to charge up front, or let's say you're a service industry and you want to charge a deposit before people actually come out. You can do it directly in the calendar link. So we're going to base our automation on somebody filling out this request on the calendar and then clicking this button called schedule meeting. Let's go to HighLevel. You first need an email to send, and then we're going to attach that to an automation that actually sends the email. So come into your sub account over here, go to marketing on the left side, click on emails, and then templates, and then new, and then blank template, and then use the code editor. You'll be brought to a template email over here, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to get this HTML code to make your emails look nice and fancy. You go to Gemini Pro, and you say, please write me an HTML email for GoHighLevel. The email is from Native Grounds Junk Removal and confirm the customer's appointment. We are nativegroundsjunk.com. And now Gemini will be able to reference what our business is about. And the fact that I told it GoHighLevel, it'll know which variables to use within the HTML. Hit go on that. And within a few seconds, you'll have your HTML email. Hit this button right here to copy and then go back to HighLevel. Now you can replace everything in this HTML code base and say Control A and then delete and Control V to paste your entire HTML code. That's how you would get a nice looking HTML email on the side. Now review it for corrections. Anything you want to change on the right side, you have to look for the code on the left side and then edit it there. So I see we look forward to working with you soon, and that's where I am right now. The other place to pay close attention to is the variables. So it says hi contact first name. This is going to show up as the first name of the person within your CRM. So as soon as they book an appointment on your calendar, that data is being recorded in your HighLevel. And the first name that they entered is what's going to show up on this email. Now the variables have to be accurate. If you have this underscore misplaced, it's not going to show up. And if you want a complete list, I'm happy to share it with you, but Gemini knows as well. Just ask it and it'll tell you exactly what the variables are supposed to be, and it'll plug them in by itself as well. Give it a descriptive name like junk removal booking confirmation email, and then hit save template. Back, and now we have our email. Here it is. We just created it. Now let's go build the automation that's going to send this email when somebody books. So we're in our workflow list. Let's go over to create workflow and then start from scratch. Okay, I'm in the advanced builder on the top left here. You can stay in the standard, same thing, but I prefer the user interface of the advanced. Give this a name. We'll say junk removal confirmation email. First thing we click on it, add trigger, supposed to be for appointment booked, customer booked appointment. We go into add filters, pick the filter drop down, and we have to specify which calendar they would have booked on. Calendar in this case is junk removal dispatch. On that calendar, once they book it, this automation is going to trigger. What we want it to do, that's the action part. Let's click the plus, and the first thing is we want to tag them to say, hey, this person booked junk removal. The dumpster booked. And if you don't have a tag, you can literally just type it in and it'll accept it. Save action, and that's our first action. So whoever books an appointment is now going to get tagged in their contact field letting us know. Next step, we want to add them to our pipeline so we can track this lead, because they might book an appointment and then never show. So how do we actually follow back up with them? We don't want to get on the phone or email them. We want the automation to do it. So we're going to create an update opportunity. We have our pipeline already for native grounds junk. Create them as a new lead. Actually, we're going to put them right on the booked calendar because they're coming in already booked. And then the opportunity name, how do we want that card to look? We want their name, want their email, phone, and address right on the card. So let's go to the tags, contact, say full name, do a comma, and then right after that, another tag, and we'll get their email, and we'll do another tag. Last one will be their address, contact, full address. So now at a glance, we get to see their name, email, phone, and full address. That's enough information to know exactly what that lead is about and where they are. So if we wanted to go to the place during time of delivery or get on the phone with them immediately, we have the option. Opportunity source is pretty nice because we can now identify where this lead came from. And because this was on our calendar, we can say it came from our website. The location, website. We don't know what the value would be right now. Now let's stick with status. It's going to move open. We can move back and forth. Let's allow opportunity to move up and down that pipeline. We don't want duplicate opportunities yet. Let's go ahead and save action. Now we get to send our confirmation emails. Let's do action, send email. And after this, we're going to do reminder emails as well. Okay, so from email is going to be our location email variable. From name, let's go ahead and see if our business name would be populated. Let's put down an account. We'll go with name. Subject, we'll say junk removal. Actually, let's just say appointment. Because we're hard coding something in here, like it's not a variable, let's just try to keep it really generic so we can reuse these over and over again. Now we get to pick the email that we had built for HTML. So let's go over here, we'll booking confirmation. And that's what it looks like. And then sync edits, because if we ever change this template, we want it to sync with this workflow. Let's do a track clicks. We want to see if it opened. And we can track all sorts of metrics on these emails that go out. And we can even add tags based on whether they open the email. So under type, if we set a basic campaign interaction and contact opened the campaign, meaning the email in this case, we can create a tag that says appointment confirmation email opened. And this is a nice way to see it at a glance if they actually got the email and then they actually opened it, giving you peace of mind that they actually received the email. And save. Okay, and save that action. Now, how do we send another email just 1 day prior to the appointment as a reminder to them? Well, we need another email, but we also need a wait function in here. Let's go ahead and add action. Let's search for wait. Click on that. This is going to be a 24 hours before appointment. We'll go with event appointment time, which is a wait for. Say when before the appointment, we'll say 24 hours, which is 1 day. Very nice. So we're waiting all the way until 24 hours just before the appointment, and we want to send an email then. Now, what happens if the appointment was booked the same day? Well, we wouldn't be able to send this 24-hour notice. And before, in high level, it would send every single update saying, thank you for booking. Your appointment's in 24 hours. Your appointment is in 1 hour. And then here we go. Right? So they would get a barrage of emails. But now high level has this option saying skip all outbound communication actions till the next wait event happens. Meaning if they book an appointment within that same day, they're not going to get all of the backed up emails saying, hey, your appointment's in 3 days. Your appointment's in 2 days. Your appointment's in 1 day. They just won't get any of those emails. They'll only get the emails that are applicable to them. So save action. Now we can send our reminder email. So we add, we say send email, say location name, from email, this is the account email. Subject, we'll say appointment confirmation with a dash and then reminder. And we can literally send the same email again because it's talking about the upcoming appointment and it has a date and time. So click on that. Go ahead and track that one as well. Go ahead and give that a tag as well. Add condition. Let's say they opened the campaign, opened it, and we'll give them a tag. Okay, 1 hour reminder email opened. And save that as well. Now, because we're sending emails to the customer, I'd also like to send notifications to the team that's going to service them. So we don't forget. Let's add an internal notification, send internal notification, and we will send an email from our account name, email, send it to all users for now. We'll say something like appointment with, and then we'll have the customer name. So we'll say contact, full name in 1 hour. And that'll be a nice little alert. We'll see on our app, we'll see an email. You can send that same template because we'll have the exact address, we'll have name, and all sorts of cool contact information for them. Save action. Great. And that workflow is officially official. Let's publish this and hit save. If you want a copy of this, just put in the comments, workflow please, and then I'll send you this. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to be building out tons of automations and all sorts of cool stuff over the next few weeks. We'll see you soon. If you want to do this yourself and you just need a little bit of help, join my Skool community, use my high-level affiliate link, and I will help you. Revenue that I generate from that, 20% of it goes into paid ads, and the leads, I share them with my community. With my affiliate link, you get a 30-day extended trial, plus a bootcamp that you can go through. I have a 15-part course that gets you from initial idea all the way to operational agency. You'll get hundreds of pre-built AI agents ready to go, workflows, automations, website templates. I also have 40+ businesses and marketing courses that you can then sell to your members. I'm heavily involved in my community. I join 7 days a week, so you can have one-on-ones with me where we can build things, we can do think tanks and come up with business ideas. You can even join my businesses where I show you what I'm doing day in and day out. Everything is completely free until I get to maximum capacity. Join now.